Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube Take a Break feature. In May 2018, YouTube rolled out the Take a Break feature in its mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. The feature lets users define how many minutes of YouTube they want to watch consecutively before being presented with a reminder to take a break. The effort is part of Google's larger well-being initiative, which recognizes that people are developing addictions to their electronic devices that are negatively affecting their lives, and as a result, seeks to make tools available that make it easier for people to disconnect from their devices. It's important to note that this feature is only available in the mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices running the latest versions of those operating systems, and isn't currently available on other mobile operating systems or the YouTube desktop website. Now let's walk through the steps to turn on the YouTube Take a Break reminder feature. Step 1. Launch the YouTube app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Your YouTube home screen appears. Step 2. Tap the icon associated with your account profile in the upper right corner of the screen. The account screen appears. Step 3. Tap Settings in the list of options on the account screen. The settings screen appears. Step 4. Tap Remind Me to Take a Break in the YouTube section. The Remind Me to Take a Break screen appears, displaying a list of options for how frequently you can be reminded to take a break. You can be reminded to take a break from YouTube every 15, 30, 60, 90, or 180 minutes. Step 5. Tap to place a checkmark to the right of how frequently you want to be reminded to take a break from YouTube. In this example, I'll tap every 15 minutes. Use the arrow in the upper left corner of the screen to navigate back through your YouTube settings to the YouTube home screen. Now, whenever you're watching YouTube videos on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, a reminder will pop up after your defined amount of time passes, asking if you want to take a break from YouTube. You can tap Settings on this screen to go into your YouTube settings, where you can change the amount of time that passes before being presented with this reminder, or you can tap Dismiss to return to the content you're currently watching. Alternatively, you could also put your device down and take a break as you'd originally intended. Congratulations, you now know how to use the YouTube Take a Break reminder feature. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.